Hi, thanks for joining me today. We're going to do something a little bit different and work with Chalk Couture Ink and ink this t-shirt with the She Believes She Could transfer. I want to put a nice, easy, light pressure, applying the ink, making sure that it goes through the silk screen of the transfer and gets good coverage. I could have used multiple colors on here, but I think for the first time I'm using ink, I chickened out a little bit and said I'm going with one single color. This happens to be the shimmer silver, which I think is very pretty on this fig colored t-shirt. And this happens to be for my mama. She believed she could, so she did, which pretty much sums up my mom's life. There's not much that ever discouraged her or dissuaded her from whatever she wanted to do. And having pretty much overcome the effects of a hemorrhagic stroke, I'm very proud of this little lady and think she needs something to commemorate all of her hard work. I have actually a mat underneath protecting the back of the shirt from the ink so it doesn't bleed through. And I'm going to lift this off, take a peek. I think it looks kind of nice. Oops, the She Could looks a little bit light. Let's put that back down. Give it a little bit more ink. Like I said, this is my first time using ink. I guess I should have probably done something a little bit smaller, but no guts, no glory, right? I think it looks pretty nice. So we'll let that dry and then heat set it. Thank you for watching.